anything you do, we still talk about it.
Kikombe cha umbea kimeshadunda mezani, yani
chai ya moto show, chai ya moto show.
Oh yes, kohana ta mwiroreri wa Just Kenya Official TV jetekeria origi gunyitio geni thiini wa shesheni ino ira tukuyaga mohoro mothe maramara hanika thiini wa nenda citu cio kinyaneria na ni ati mwena wa Facebook maundu no maragithi na mbere gwakana mwaki kumana na gikuo kia mundu gwitwo Jeff Mwathi. Ona riu ni ati mundu gwitwo DJ Fatxo uria kuruhanitio na gikuo giake riu nionete uria tari ona ni ati wendia kambuni ya wendia wa mugunda etagwo Lesedi developers na ni koretwo igitiga ndomiriri nene mwena wa Facebook he account yayo yari koretwo ikiuga ati riu ni erutania na mundu gwitwo DJ Fatxo kana ni ejitenganisha na mundu gwitwo DJ Fatxo kumana na ndomiriri ria mandikite mwena wa Facebook maugite atiriri We at Lesedi Group Limited would like to address recent events regarding to our previous brand ambassador, DJ Fatxo. We are deeply saddened and concerned by the allegation that have been brought against him. As a company, we take this accusation very seriously and we have decided to dissociate ourselves from DJ Fatxo as our brand ambassador. We believe that it is important for us to uphold our values and principles, and we cannot condone any behavior that goes against them. Ore uni ati Lesedi developers ni matagathite gukoro makidishia associate hamwe na DJ Fatxo oria wari brand ambassador wa mugunda wa wendi wa kambuni ino ya wendi wa mugunda yo ikaine ta Lesedi developers. Macio mara marahanika mara marathi na mbere mwena wa Facebook. Ona we ni gwenda tuko tukeraniria mwena hau ha comment section ugikorwo kinjira ureciria ate kumana na uhoro uyu o haria tugieterera maundu mara marathuthurio ni DCI na ngareka gwere atiriri o thuthurio githi na mbere ni wega muno kwirora o kiria urakorwo kiaria nigetha gukorwo ati DCI ni maruta wira wao o uria gubataire. Njitagwo Uncle Jost, ona ni kahinda kangi gatari karaya.